This is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how you can easily add universally unique identifiers or UUIDs to your data in Easy Data Transform. Here we have a data set with a list of orders, and we want to add a UUID to uniquely identify each order. It happens to be an Excel file, but various other formats are supported. Let's drag the Excel file onto Easy Data Transform. So an input item has been created in the center pane. Make sure Show Advanced is checked so that all the transforms are shown. Then click on the UUID transform with the input item selected. A column of UUIDs is now added as the last column in the data set. We can change the format of the UUIDs depending on whether we want to include dashes and curly braces. We can now write our modified data set back out to a file. With the UUID transform selected, click on the To File button at the bottom of the right pane. Then choose where you want to save the file. Let's view the output file. And here we have the column of UUIDs. Note that you don't have to output to Excel. You can output to a range of other formats including CSV, JSON and XML. This is a very small dataset, but Easy Data Transform can easily handle datasets with millions of rows. Easy Data Transform can also do sophisticated step-by-step data transformations including joining, filtering, aggregating and deduplicating datasets to get your data in the form you want it. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.